Imagine yourself adrift in the silent expanse of space. Your ship is gone. There is only you, your spacesuit, and the endless black. But ahead, a celestial object of impossible beauty and terror fills your vision, a Wolf-Rayet star. It pulses with fierce ethereal light, surrounded by a glowing nebula of its own making. You are falling toward it with no escape. The star is a turbulent sphere, its surface a chaotic tempest of stellar material violently ejected into space. Great arcs and plumes of incandescent gas, larger than planets, are hurled outward at incredible speeds. The colors are mesmerizing, turquoise, violet, the palette of raw, untamed power. You are a silent witness, a speck about to be consumed by a cosmic furnace. As you get closer, a strange pressure pushes against you, the stellar wind, a hurricane of atoms millions of times stronger than our sun's. It buffets your suit, a relentless cosmic gale. The scale is incomprehensible. You're falling into a storm billions of kilometers across, raging for millennia. Through your suit, you almost hear the stars roar, the sound of fusion and fury. The nebula glows with eerie light, illuminated by intense radiation. This cloud is the star's own outer layers, shed over thousands of years, a beautiful shroud for a dying giant. Now you're about to pass through this veil, entering the star's deadly embrace. Your final moments are a descent into a celestial masterpiece of terrifying grandeur. There is only awe, and the end. What is this magnificent beast? A Wolf-Rayet star is a fleeting, spectacular final stage in the life of the universe's most massive stars. Born with dozens of times the sun's mass, they burn through fuel at astonishing rates and shed their outer layers, exposing a super-hot helium-rich core. The exposed core blasts out intense radiation, creating phenomenal stellar winds, torrents of matter traveling thousands of kilometers per second. This violent outflow means Wolf-Rayet stars live fast and die young, lasting only a few 100,000 years. Inside, they forge elements heavier than helium, carbon, oxygen, and beyond. When they die, they explode in supernovae, scattering these elements across the galaxy. The carbon in your body, the oxygen you breathe, likely born in a star like this. Wolf-Rayet stars are incredibly hot, glowing blue-white or violet, and outshine thousands of suns. They are the universe's element factories, brilliant, chaotic, and destined for a dramatic end. Without them, the cosmos would be a much simpler, emptier place. They are the rock stars of the stellar world. Back to your fall, now through the nebula, facing the star's unshielded fury. Your suit's electronics fail instantly, overwhelmed by radiation and magnetic fields. The stellar wind becomes a physical wall, eroding your suit atom by atom. Heat skyrockets. Your suit melts and vaporizes. Life support fails. The water in your body flashes to steam. You are vaporized, disassembled atom by the star's energy. There is no solid surface, just denser and denser gas. As you fall, you merge with the star, your atoms stripped and turned to plasma. In less than a second, it's over. Your matter is swept into the star's turbulent currents, dragged toward the core. There, immense pressure and temperature break you down, forging your atoms into heavier elements. You become part of the star, a brief, silent dissolution. In a strange, poetic way, you are recycled in the heart of a stellar giant. You are one with the cosmos. The forces at play are staggering. A Wolf-Rayet star can be over 20 times more massive than our sun, but its luminosity is millions of times greater. If our sun were replaced by one, Earth would be instantly sterilized, oceans boiled, surface scorched. The stellar wind is mind-boggling. These stars lose mass at a rate that would equal the sun's entire mass in just 100,000 years. This outflow enriches space with heavy elements, seeding future stars and planets. The wind can reach thousands of kilometers per second, over 10 times faster than our fastest spacecraft. It carves vast bubbles in interstellar gas, shaping galaxies. When fusion in the core ends, the star collapses and explodes as a supernova, briefly outshining its entire galaxy. The explosion scatters elements across space, leaving behind a neutron star or black hole. Wolf-Rayet stars are engines of cosmic change. Falling into a Wolf-Rayet star means total, instantaneous annihilation. There's no drama, just a moment of overwhelming beauty, then erasure. Yet in this violence, there's profound beauty. These stars are the universe's great sculptors, forging the elements of life. Without them, there would be no carbon, no oxygen, no stardust for planets or people. Our existence is tied to their demise. Wolf-Rayet stars remind us that creation and destruction are inseparable. We are, quite literally, children of the stars. The universe is not just stranger than we imagine, it's stranger than we can imagine.